book on the billionaire dreams, the life everybody wish they could live. Only a chosen few make it.
All right, y'all. Welcome to our channel, Billionaire Dreams, Enterprises, Experiences. So today we're in the Elara in Las Vegas, and we're gonna give y'all a tour of our room. So this is our room tour, and we're in room 2223. You see on the door right here, we have a doorbell and everything. So I'm just gonna scan us in, buzz us in. Let's see. All right, so when we come in, so I'm gonna start off immediately with the left real quick. So you come in, as you can see, you have the kitchenette area. You got a refrigerator, microwave, a little stove, sink, table, all that. Water maker, ice maker, all that. What we got in the refrigerator, or freezer, I should say. Ice up there. That's about it. There's nothing in there. So, real cool or ingenious thing my wife did. So we have a 9-month-old that's walking around in a walker, which is Cadence. Cadence, say hey, man. He's a little fussy right now. Look at her. Say hey. Say hey. So what my wife did, she placed fidget spinners all around the room. So you got one on the refrigerator, freezers. So then we go in here. My Palmer song, a couple energy drinks and everything, as you can see. So then you have your sink right here, of course. You have dishes in the cabinet. And remember, we're at the Elara, y'all, in Vegas. A couple coffee mugs, trash can, and all that stuff. Fire extinguisher, dishwasher, of course. A couple drinking glasses, mugs, and everything. Yep, you okay, man? So microwave, of course. You got your Kool-Aid cup. What's this? You got utensils, if you need to eat anything. A couple pans. That's always good if you want to cook something. What's down here? Okay, a strainer. Nothing over there. Knife set. These are things, I guess, this microwave turns into an air fryer. So you have your table. Cadence, say hey, man. You running around. So, excuse the place is a little mess, but that's because it's lived in, and got stuff on the table like my game controller and Cadence stuff. He's been eating, of course. Closet space. You see, we got boxes and stuff in the closet over here. This stuff right here was in the closet already when we got there, minus the boxes, I mean. But yeah, so you can see the closet space, and of course, we got light and everything. I'm gonna show y'all that in a second. It's a bunch of lights in here. You got the chandelier over the table. I like the chandelier. It's very modern. Artwork on the wall. All that lights up back there. Oh, so this is a projector. So the projector light, the shades come down. The projector comes up on the screen if you push the button. The projector is behind you up there, as you can see. And the projector and the TV don't work at the same time because it's projecting what's on the TV screen. So either you're gonna look at the projector or you're gonna look at the TV. But you have your controls over here. So there's the projector off button, on button, shades down, shades open. So we're gonna start clicking buttons for the lights and everything. So that turned on the light over there, as you can see. So we're gonna turn off the projector real quick. So bam, and we're gonna open the shades. Also too, the sound off the TV and the projector come out of this sound bar right there. So that's good to know. And of course we have a view of the Sphere, the Wind, Trump Tower, Planet Hollywood, the Eiffel Tower. I see Caesar's Palace over there, and you got mountains in the background. And I really love what they've done with this room. This lamp that lights up, and yep, it's yours truly. It's me. We went to the pool about an hour ago, so I'm still in pool gear and everything. See you, boy. Now we're gonna go to the bedroom. So excuse the mess in here because one thing, you know, we got a 9-month-old. So right now he's watching Gracie Corner. So we're casting Gracie Corner from our iPad right here onto the TV. So you'll learn how to do that Chromecast. You have space in all these drawers, of course, right here. Let me push that back. Cadence say, hey, there's Ja'Lisa, my beautiful wife. So, you know, she has a suitcase out. So we also have a view from our room as well. This is our bed right here. She has another fidget spinner over there, or, you know, something. This also works on the plane. So we bought these things because it was his first time traveling on the plane. I'm gonna turn this down, okay, Ja'Lisa? So it's his first time traveling on the plane, and so we bought those items so he can have something to play with on the plane, which worked actually pretty great. He did pretty good on the plane for his first plane ride. The second one, he wasn't bad either, but it was just a lot of people. So we have a view from our room as well. So, you know, you have a desk area. You want to sit down here. Cadence have a fan for his the stroller if he needs, you know, air or whatever, because it's hot out here. It's like 100 or something degrees in the middle of the day. And this is a great view. Another mirror. Cadence is sitting here with his mom. You got storage space over here and the drawers and everything. It's pretty good. Another lamp. Our bed. Oh, we have a jacuzzi in the room as well. So jacuzzi right here. And then of course it's mirrors everywhere. We're also washing clothes. It has a washer dryer combo in here. Here's another fidget spinner right here. So Cadence, you know, runs around the room. So that's 3 closet space. We got all our closet, all our bags here. Ja'Lisa, you have anything you want to chime in or anything? You good?
I love the washer dryer combo. I want one at home.
Right. Exactly. What's good, y'all? So here's your shower, of course, and give y'all a peek in here. Bam. So oh, that was loud. I'm sorry. And here's the water closet. You know, you got a button, and it's double vanity, 2 sinks. You got tissue and towels and stuff under this sink right here. And here's your washer and dryer. It's one combo. It's in that same thing. Did you start the dryer already?
No.
Okay. I don't know if it started or not, but we got clothes in there. So you see clothes in there on the floor. That's why. And, you know, double vanity sink, like I said. So, of course, it's looped all the way around. So then we're back in the kitchen or kitchenette. And then you also have shades and stuff in here as well. So you push a button, shades come down. I'm not gonna let them all the way down. Cadence over here with his Gracie Corner. And that's pretty much, y'all. I mean, I love this place. We've been here one time before, a couple years ago, but now, you know, we're really sitting down and taking the time to enjoy the space. The last time we was here, I think we was more ripping and running, so we didn't really get a chance to enjoy the space. Now we're only here really 4 days, 3 nights. We also didn't have a 9-month-old at the time either, so it was just me and her. But I don't know, y'all. It's just a great space. You just got to come check it out for yourself. So it's the Elara by Hilton, of course, and I'm gonna leave y'all at the end with this view of Vegas. And thank y'all for tuning in. Have a great day. Appreciate it.